Hello, I'm meteorologist Kimberly Hepner at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. We have a big storm event underway across the northwestern tier of the state today. Low pressure system is moving towards that northwest coast, causing very gusty winds out of the south, along with snow, reducing visibilities down to near zero at times, and that's going to continue this evening through midnight. So those gusty winds are also going to be increasing across the Brooks Range as we head into the evening time. Across the southern tier of the state, just a few showers north of the eastern areas of the Alaska Range. Otherwise, fairly quiet conditions across the southeast, and conditions that were foggy earlier in the day across Bristol Bay are starting to lift. Now across the western areas of the Bering, mainly just clouds out in those locations, a little bit of gusty winds out the south direction as a front stalls along the western waters. Now as we head into the night time hours, we're going to see that front from the northwest coast start moving very quickly to the east, and that is going to cause some gusty winds across the northern tier of the state. Plus, with that front coming through, widespread reduced visibilities are expected. Therefore, to the north with the gustier wind conditions, we have a blizzard warning out for along and around the Brooks Range and the north coast. And just to the south, we have winter storm advisories, as they're going to be seeing a little bit more snow accumulation between 2 to 4 inches from the west coast over to the eastern Alcan border. So as we head into your day on Thursday, conditions will improve for the west coast and then continue to be very gusty along the Alaska Range and the Brooks, especially the eastern Brooks Range. So blizzard conditions will likely continue through Friday for the eastern part of the state. Now, along the southern tier of the state, we have high wind warnings in effect, and these are for Thursday afternoon through Thursday night. These watches will include the northeastern Gulf Coast back through the eastern areas of the Kenai for mainly Seward and Whittier, and other areas to be aware of is Thompson Pass, and we'll also look for higher winds going through the Copper River Delta. Now, across the southeastern areas of the state, they will see an increase in winds Thursday into Friday with some strong offshore flow causing some problems with winds across the inner channels and higher seas in that area. Across the northern tier of the state, things will be improving as we head into your Friday, and across the Bering, fairly benign conditions in comparison to the rest of the state. Thanks for staying with us. This is Kimberly with Alaska Statewide Weather.